a fully enclosed, weatherproof cabin designed for year-round travel, giving you unmatched mobility independence.
Mini Crosser M2, strong, stable, and built for real-life mobility.
This is the Mini Crosser M2 cabin car, built tougher than anything in its class.
Its LED headlights light up the street like a real car. The M2 suits seniors, adults, and people with mobility needs.
Need fresh air? Just slide open the side window. Easy and smooth.
These deep tread tires handle gravel, streets, and rough surfaces with confidence. Strong rear structure and compact body make parking easy anywhere. Inside, it feels peaceful, comfortable seating, and great visibility. Controls are simple, intuitive, and designed for all ages. Strong front bumper and durable cabin shell protect you on the road. The cabin shields you from rain and cold, so you stay dry and warm.
Enjoy long-distance capability with dependable battery performance.
Wide doors let you enter comfortable without bending or struggling. Four-wheel balance keeps you safe and steady, no matter the conditions. The M2 delivers smooth acceleration and safe, stable speed. The huge panoramic windshield gives you maximum visibility anywhere you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.